Eli 5. How have supply chains not recovered over the last 2 years? I understand how they got delayed initially, but what factors have prevented things from rebounding? For instance, I work in the medical field and am being told some product is backordered multiple times a week. Besides inventing a time machine, what concrete things are preventing a return to 2019 supplies? The answer: I can tell you what's going on in my industry, aerospace manufacturing. Our material suppliers went through significant layoffs in 2020. They lost many skilled laborers to retirement and simply being laid off. Now that demand is back, they can't get the skill back that is needed to produce conforming product. They are hiring unskilled people and having extreme quality issues. Lead time prior to the pandemic was 3-5 weeks for material. Lead time now is 48-52 weeks. It's a beyond huge problem for aerospace because this particular material is spec'd into a lot of parts, and there is no alternative to it. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.